Why does your scanner show the P0087 engine code? What does it mean? P0087 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail or system pressure too low. This engine code indicates a fault within the fuel delivery system. It is usually triggered by the PCM when it detects the pressure inside the fuel rail or fuel system to be below the minimum levels. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pump, restricted fuel line, faulty fuel pressure sensor, camshaft timing issues, electrical issues, malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with a high-pressure fuel injection system, mostly in modern cars, but common culprits include vehicles like Ford, BMW, Mercedes, Land Rover, Vauxhall, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.